Here's a review of the week we spent in Birmingham on the Foundation Certificate in Sound Healing and some of the activities enjoyed by the students. So, all set up for the first day of the Foundation Certificate in Sound Healing at Astraea Designs in Solihull. Here we were looking at shamanic drums, drum beats and rhythms, percussion and the voice, and how they can be incorporated into sound healing sessions. Good morning, it's Gong Day on the Foundation Certificate in Sound Healing at Astraea Designs in Solihull, a fabulous workshop space. This was a real wow moment for me. I was in the other room at the time and heard this session going on and came in and recorded it. The students hadn't really played any of the instruments before the course, and just a few days in they improvised this session. 2 people on gongs, 1 on the drum. They were using their voices during the session and noticing just how far they'd come in terms of skills and confidence in a few days. It was just a real highlight, fabulous to watch. Today on the Foundation Certificate for Sound Healing, we're working with one-to-one treatments. So we've got 3 therapy beds set up and students will be taking it in turn to deliver one-to-one sound sessions to each other. Week at Astraea Designs in Solihull, fabulous big workshop space. The main activity room now empty and all the sound healing kit to take home. A number of gongs and drums and crystal bowls and Himalayan bowls, therapy beds, percussion, all the folders and files, more gongs and stands and refreshments. Light off. Time to start on the journey home.